in the sky. Oh, the clouds don't rain on me. No, just a little. Oh.
Where's the St. Patrick's Day? Are you on a St. Patrick's Day, Leprechaun?
Green.
Say Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Where is the 3-leaf clover? Who has it?
3-leaf clover.
Is it because of the gophers?
3-leaf clover. Good girl. Oh yeah, good girl. You're getting good, huh? Aye. Huh? Good girl. Now you're eating the paper? Huh? Don't eat the paper, Mama. Here, I'll hold it for you. It says St. Patrick's Day from the Haribo box. Huh?
Check it out. It looks like a sticker. It's a St. Patrick's sticker.
Don't eat it. Come on. What are you gonna play with? Did you read your book?
St. Patrick's Day. Says we are so lucky to have you wearing our hair bows. Thanks for your support, the Haribo Box family. See? You're wearing one still. Good. Where are we gonna go? Oh, I told you. Let's look at this other one. You okay? I'm here.
Woman, here, read the book.
Animals. Look at the pets. Ooh, cool pets. Those are at the pet shop. Mine's are at the zoo. We still haven't got to go to the zoo. Hey, reading is. Turn the page. Look at the pictures. There is. Turn the page. Have you chose a picture to pick to point with your finger? Huh? You have to pick a picture. Look at it.
Point up. Point.
Look at it. See? You press with your finger, your index finger. Point one out. No.
Click
You
on
didn't
stuff.
want to.
Dog. Is it working?
Move the rest of that in your hand.
Colors?
Yes.
This is your nose. This is your mouth. This is your ears. Huh? Hands. Your tummy. Huh? This is your St. Patrick's Day t-shirt. Hi, Minnie Mouse. Where's Minnie Mouse?
There's Minnie Mouse.
Yes.
Minnie Mouse
It
St. Patrick Day
is.
style.
Yay.
She goes, what's the corned beef? What's the corned beef? Potatoes.
Where's the corn?
I never really got to
That's a corn.
into the parades how they celebrate
That's
St.
a
Patrick's
corn.
Day.
What else do you got? What is this? It's a pineapple. Huh? A pineapple? It's also a scrubby. What else?
The leprechaun.
What is this? It's a carrot. What's carrot? You want to eat the carrot? What color is carrot? Orange? Right? What color is corn? Yellow?
Yellow.
What color is pineapple? Yellow as well. What else we got? What is this? It's is it a bell pepper? It's a red bell pepper.
Funny bell pepper.
Yes? What color is it? Red? It's red. Yes? Okay. What else?
I like corn. Corn is really good.
I found one. What is this?
Yummy.
A banana. What color? Yellow.
That's
Yummy.
a small one.
You might have to peel it first. You have to peel the banana first. Is that all the things we got? Veggies and stuff? Fruits and veggies? Yes? Oh, I found one. I found two of them. Here, what is this? A lettuce? Green lettuce.
What kind of lettuce? That's the
Green?
aroma.
What is this? A green chili pepper.
Romaine lettuce.
Maybe it's sweet, maybe it's a pepper anyway. It's green. I think that was all of them that we have.
You probably like romaine lettuce too. Look at grapes.
I found one more.
It's grapes.
What is this? Oh, a grape. Yes. What color is a grapes? Purple?
Grape purple.
Purple. Usually they're purple or red or white sometimes.
It's purple.
Here's an, what is this? A pumpkin? What color is a pumpkin? It's orange. Kiss the pumpkin.